Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the game ready. Make sure Assassin's Creed Unity is fully updated and the language pack you want is installed. Once done, open Options, go to Audio and switch Subtitles to On. Choose the correct subtitle language. You should also back up your save and game folders before modifying files or adding community subtitle files, because you may need to restore originals if something goes wrong. Next, you add or replace the subtitle resources. First, locate the game install, then find the text or localization folder, note exact file names and extensions. If you have SRT files, convert them to UTF-8 and adapt them to the game format or to the specific lock files the engine expects. Once converted, place the files in the correct directory, maintaining the original folder structure and exact names so the game loads them without conflict. Finally, you verify the result by launching a short mission and checking subtitle appearance and timing. If text appears but timing is off, edit the timestamps in the subtitle file or switch formats, then re-encode as UTF-8 and try again. If subtitles do not load, restore your backups, confirm file names and paths, and check any mod load order or integrity issues. This single troubleshooting step often resolves conflicts caused by mismatched files or missing language resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.